everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lina and I do all things home decor, DIY and interior design. In today's video, I'm going to be making over some lamps that I thrifted recently. This is such a fun and easy DIY and you can really get a high-end look for less. And this is my inspiration for today's video. And without further ado, this is how I made them. The plaster and water mix ratio is 2:1. I added color to my mix, but it dried much lighter than I expected, so I still applied a base color. Then I started applying the plaster on the lamps. If you do this, make sure to apply it quickly as it hardens pretty fast. I let them dry overnight and on the next day I gave them a quick sanding. This step is very important, it really gives them a more organic look. I also recommend using a mask and doing this outdoors, it is a very messy process. After this, I mixed some acrylic colors that I had on hand. For my base color, I mixed khaki and a little bit of gray and green. Then I mixed some tan color with a little bit of water and baking soda. The more baking soda you add, the more texture you're going to get. I got my brush from the makeup section in the dollar store. I think it's the perfect size and the bristles are semi-hard and perfect for this DIY. I started applying the paint on the lamps, trying not to cover fully the base color. This process takes some time and patience, but it's all worth it at the end. And lastly, I mixed some antique white, water and baking soda. Adding all three colors makes it look like a real stone. I love how these lamps turned out and I'm very happy to add them to my home decor. I love the organic look and they turned out even better than I expected. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and please consider subscribing if you would like to see more of my projects coming up. That is all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!